G'day cobbers, welcome back to the bush. In this video we'll be making a sweet damper. So how do we go about that? Let's grab some flour. Now we need about 3 1/3 cups. You don't need to be too precise with this. There's 3 1/3 cups, and because we're making a sweet damper, don't forget the sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now this is a hands-on exercise, so don't be shy about getting your hands in there. And then 3 tablespoons of butter. And we need to work them in by hand. Now we'll work the butter in. Don't forget we need some milk. So just enough milk to turn it into a nice dough. Another slurp, I think. Now you don't want to overwork the dough. So just until you've got a nice consistent dough and not too sloppy. So I've been kneading for a little while now and we've got it into an actual dough consistency. And because this is a sweet damper, we're going to add some sultanas. So about a cup. And we'll work them in right through the dough. Remember to fold the dough, otherwise you'll just have sultanas on just the outside. Okay, now our sweet damper dough is ready. Let's head over to the fire and prepare the camp oven. Okay, now we have to prepare the bed of coals. Now you want to keep your coals away from your main fire. The main fire will be too hot. So get a couple of shovels of coals. That'll probably be enough for the base. We'll pop our empty camp oven on there. Then we'll get another shovel of coals. Pop it on the top. Now just like any oven, you need to preheat, and that's what we're doing now. Of course we don't know if we're getting to 180, but we'll be close. We'll see when we pop the damper in. Okay, now our dough is well rested. We're going to put it into a springform cake tin. We've already buttered it up. Now just grab a bit of flour and give it a gentle flouring, and that way the damper hopefully won't stick to the edges. That's now done, and we just pop it into the centre and spread it out a little bit. Right, time to pop it into the camp oven. Okay, now our camp oven is preheated. Let's take the lid off, but first get rid of the ash around the edge and any coals, so we don't want to drop them into the camp oven. Pop the lid to the side and simply pop our cake tin in. Now we've put a trivet on there, and that's to keep it raised off the floor of the camp oven so we don't burn the bottom of the tin. Pop the lid back on. Now a bit of a trick for young players is to put too many coals on there and make it too hot. You can't go too slow basically. So a moderate amount of coals and not too hot. You can always put a bit more coals on later, and that way you don't end up with a burnt black bun around the outside and still dough in the middle. We'll check on it in 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. Let's check on our damper. As you can see, it's coming along nicely. It's starting to brown up very slowly, so it's probably going a little bit faster than I'd like, so I'll back the coals off a little bit. We'll get rid of a few of those coals. And we'll give it about another 10 to 15 minutes and we'll check on it then. Righto, so it's been a little while. Let's have another check. Again, get rid of all the embers around the edge. Certainly looks like it's come along nicely. The outside looks good, but how about the inside? So grab your knife. Now if you want to check out how to sharpen a knife, check out the link in the description, Blunt to Scary Sharp. So what we do is we get our knife, swing it right to the bottom and check that it comes out clean. Now if it comes out clean, it's cooked all the way through. If it comes out with dough on it, need to give it a little while longer. And that's done. So let's take it out, let's cut it up, let's have some afternoon tea. As they say, the proof is in the pudding. And this is the great thing about the springform tin. Just open him up, carefully take him off. Now let's open him up. And look at that, absolutely beautiful. Now all that's left is the butter, jam and cream. Rightio, let's cut it up. As you can see, it's cooked right through. Of course you want a bit of butter on there, because butter is better. A little bit of jam, this is a bit of strawberry jam. And not to forget the ladies' favourite is the cream. There we go. Now, we wouldn't be fair if we didn't do a taste test. So come on James, what do you think, mate?
Well, I'll give it a go.
Well, let me tell you, James' moustache says yes.
Beautiful.
Now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. If you didn't like it, well, give us a thumbs down twice. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Go.
Okay. Are we rolling?